Ooh. Have you ever seen the giant millipede close up in crop like this before? Oh, now it's almost darker at night. Oh, inside here in the forest mango. Ooh, oh, oh, giant millipede. Ooh, wow, that's so black. It's so big. So it's dark now. Ooh, look at here. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. What is this? What are this, everyone? What are this? My goodness. Ooh, this is unbelievable. Unbelievable. Have you ever seen the giant millipede close up in crop like this before? Oh my god. Black, brown, yellow, red. Oh my god. Oh, okay, let's catch this one. This one is walking away. Wow. How big they are. Look, the legs. Look at the legs. Hundreds of legs. Hundreds of legs. Wow. So millipede is a nice insect. It's a nice bugs. They really harm us. They really harm us. When they walk, it's very amazing. When they walk, we focus on the legs. Okay, now let's see when they walk here. Wow, very wonderful. Oh, 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 oh. Be there to touch this. Oh, it's coming down. It's coming down. It's coming down here. Where are you going? Where is it going to go? Okay, come on. Oh, really, really big. Only the millipede can close up like this. I think only millipede can close up the body like this. See? Okay, we pick it like this. We pick the millipedes. Easy. Wow, lovely. It's very lovely. No scare at all. Ooh, no scare at all. See? Wow, I love this so much. Okay. Oh, look at the face. Okay. Look at the face, is so cute. Okay, cool. Cool. Oh, cool bugs here.